This is Eddie from HS Laser, a professional laser machine manufacturer. This is a 2 kilowatt laser clean machine with CW laser source of JPT brand. HS Laser provides 200 to 1000 QCW laser source and 1000 to 2000 CW fiber laser source to make a laser clean machine. Right now, we show you 2 kilowatt laser clean machine, clean paint of metal. How does it work? Like paint, rust, oil stain, and so on. Removal of dust and attachments on the surface of the storm study. Rubber, mold, residue clean. Pre-treatment of welding surface. Spraying surface. Metal surface rust removal. Surface paint and paint stripping treatment. Surface oil storm. Dirt clean. Surface coating removal. We adjusted 16 of the power of 2000 watts to clean the paint of metal. You can hear very loud sound from the clean machine. And I changed 60 to 18% to see what it happened. So you can hear big loudly sound from the laser clean machine.